How about this to accentuate? Yager, gonna be on camera. This is your big break. Say hi to your fans. Oh, say hi to your fans, Mister. Oh my god. So, do you want to know where else we can see such a handsome face? On these aprons, okay? My commentary is we're not monetized yet because you hooligans at home, not enough of you have subscribed yet. I mean, we're on our way there. Like, actually, we're
almost halfway.
Yeah, I got hair all over me.
We're almost halfway.
We're halfway there. Like, we're doing well, but not well enough to be monetized yet. And if I'm going to be wearing an apron with a dog's face on it, as gorgeous as he is, I would like to be making money. So, please.
New merch coming soon.
Not new merch. I'm crying, and it's even embroidered Hot Girl Kitchen. As you can see.
Shout out Kim.
Yes, thank you to Melissa's mother. So you can see when you have such a nice figure, has a nice belt that you can cinch and really accentuate the waist. Hopefully this is quick so I can breathe again because I have it cinched quite tightly.
So Yager's birthday is March 23rd. He's a little Aries furry baby. And we have to give him...
It's coming up.
We have to give him the proper presents,
we have to give him what
treat.
He deserves.
Yeah, he deserves it all. So I am going to be buying him a cake this year, which we'll make a cake next year so that you guys
maybe next year. Last year we tried.
It was a little messy.
Didn't go so well.
It was a little messy.
So instead this year we pivoted, and it's the treats for us.
So we are going to make him little frozen treats that are perfect to keep in your freezer anytime. You know how dogs love ice cubes. This is a perfect ice, similar to an ice cube, a little treat to give your dog when he's a good boy or she's a good girl.
Oh, love that. It's Hot Girl, Hot Boy Kitchens, where we include all genders.
And it's very simple. 2 ingredients, strawberries and bananas.
And we also include all, what's the word I'm looking for? Like, species? Species. Melissa was like, we're making dog treats. So I was like, I don't know if it's necessarily like...
But yeah, some of you have dogs at home and you want to know how to make some cool little treats for them because...
Well, I didn't want people to get confused, like our normal fans, to like watch this and make this for themselves.
Well, honestly, you could use these for yourselves if you want to make fruit smoothies in the morning. You can pop these into your smoothies. It's the same thing.
Nothing like a human eating dog food. I mean,
there's no dog food in it. It's actually human food. But bananas and strawberries are high in sugar, which you don't need to do too much. We'll probably only do like 1 banana worth in our mixture here. But you want to give them a little bit of, good human food. Not like chips and things like that.
Who's giving their dogs chips? Oh my god, not chips.
Or like when people, when they're snacking, like... So, you're probably wondering, wow, I see 2 ingredients. Tell us how to do this.
Right, like, is this it?
It is. So you're just going to use strawberries and bananas. We're going to just chop these strawberries into, I'm just going to have them.
You have them because
they're going to be
clearly
blended.
They're going into a blender / juicer / food processor, whatever kind of equipment you have at home that will get the job done.
Yes. So
anything with a blade.
I'm doing it's looking like 5 strawberries, and I'm going to do 1 banana. And I think that's going to be plenty.
So that's literally it.
That's it. And we're just
2 things.
We're going to add just a quick little thing of water. Just
so you don't need salt and pepper. What? I don't have a dog. I don't know. I mean, can they taste that?
1, these are sweet, so you do not want salt and pepper. 2, they cannot have that.
So when you give dogs human table food that was prepared with salt and pepper, it's bad for them. It smells like.
I mean, technically, yeah, but I mean, people still do it. I even do it. The point being is, no, we're not gonna flavor his specific treats that are supposed to taste like strawberries and bananas with salt and pepper. Because would you put salt and pepper on your
Oh
banana?
my god, look at these fun molds.
I got these little ice cube molds online from Amazon.
Okay, don't say Amazon until we're sponsored.
Sorry.
We don't want to be giving away free clout. I know Jeff Bezos is worth $9,000 billion, but Hot Girl Kitchen mentioning him might just double his net worth. I mean, we don't want to give him all that for free now.
So what we did off camera was just blended everything, added a little splash of water to make it, watery enough, not too thick. And we're just going to go ahead and fill our ice cube molds with the mixture.
Yeah, because as you can see, it's not really, like, if you just blend fruit together, it's kind of like a smoothie consistency. It's you want it to be a little more runny than that. You don't want it to be, like, so thick. I mean, dogs are into texture, too. You don't want them to be like, ugh, tasting their treat and be like, oh my god, this is so thick. It's like, when you eat peanut butter, it's like sticks to your teeth. Even though we do love peanut butter. But as an example, you don't want your dog to be like, ugh, it's too thick,
And the water will help it also freeze a little bit better as well.
Very true. True tea. So now, these are little paws, aren't they? That's so cute.
So
these are little bones.
Filled these up. We're going to go ahead and throw these in the freezer.
And oh my god! It's a magic trick. That was literally, we barely even put it in the freezer. We didn't even close the freezer door and it's frozen already. Just kidding. These
I thought it was
smells like electricity wasting to me. These have been prepared in advance and they were in the freezer overnight. That's really cute. Let me get a paw. Oh my god.
You've never seen anything so cute in your
These
life.
are really cute. And I have to say, getting a silicone,
it's the way to go.
yeah, that's the only way to go because if you had like whatever the other one, plastic one, so you have to sit here like...
It would be hard to get them out.
Dreadful. We don't do that here.
So, yeah, I guess we're going to let the birthday boy go ahead and taste his treats.
My question is, do these have to stay frozen?
Yes, so when you're storing these, I just put them in a plastic Ziploc bag and throw them back into the freezer. And anytime you want one, you just take one out and give it to him.
Love that. Yogurt.
Oh, happy birthday, good boy.
Happy birthday.
Do you like it?
Oh, it's the treats for him.
Oh, you
We
like
didn't even ask him
it.
to sit or stay or give us a paw. Because when it's your birthday, you can do what you want.
Such a good boy.
Wait, give me a treat. Let's see if we can get him to do a trick for the girls at home. Oh, yes. He's going to love the paw. Yager, can you sit? Sit. Sit.
Sit. Go ahead.
Yager, sit. Can I have a paw? He's not going to do paw with it. Oh my god, this is getting deranged. Okay. Bye, fans. Yager's over it. He's not turning tricks for y'all. He said, y'all better subscribe before I do all that. Bye.
Real hot girl shit.